Aren't you glad MSAs are over? It's Friday, and we're back. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you. Now, we have just a few short announcements about what's going on here at Parkland. Students, don't forget that next Friday is the PE field trip, and there are still a few slots open. Particularly if you want to go roller skating, there are slots open, so you can get your permission slips in today. Turn them into the school store during lunch. Tonight is an exciting night for Parkland. Our cheerleaders will be participating in the first ever cheerleading competition here at Parkland. It's at 7 o'clock tonight in the gym, and tickets are just $5. You can purchase them in the cafeteria during lunch or at the door tonight. So come out and support our cheerleaders, because we know they're going to win.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.